Namaskar, myself Advocate Umesh Suman. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel US Legal. Today, the agenda of my talk is regarding current and prevailing situation as well as the current and prevailing national education policy which has been implemented in India and which will be starting in our country by amending the previous national education policy. Today, President of India had been delivered a speech to the visitor, especially the people coming from universities, IIT and other prominent universities, especially the chairmen, other professor, lecturers, those who was attending the meeting. And in this meeting, there was a several provision which was mentioned by the Ramnath Kovind, and he would have been saying that this education policy will have been providing a reorientation as well as it will creating a focus to the student and it will providing a creativity, art, culture and other sufficient curriculum activity to the people. And this education policy will be focusing on the student as well as the universities which are coming to the India, and they are taking the initiative to providing a campus placement to the students. And national education policy main objective is to provide a vision to the student, to providing a learning, to providing a effective education to the student, and it will have been enhancing the gross education system in India. And the main objective of the national education policy is to providing a education to the females, especially the girls, as well as the girls will have to be getting education in government schools, especially in the primary sector, secondary sector, as well as in university sector. And national education policy will have been providing all the efficient thing to the girls and females. And nowadays the another major thing which has been focusing is that online education system which has been playing a very prominent role, as well as online education which has been providing a more effective and more generation to the people. And it has been given a benefit to the people, those who have been not attending the classes and those who have been not assessing to coming to their destination. And it has been providing a effective information, and it has been providing a effective generation power to the people. And national education policy will have been providing as well as the India will have to be become a superpower in the India by providing a quality education to the student in our country. And the and it has been providing a effective information, and it has been providing a art, cultural as well as other creativity knowledge, and other curricular activities will have been taken a special place in the national education system. And national education system which was started previously 4 years ago, but in 2020 it is implemented. And the major role of the national education policy is that 2035 that every villages and every family of the Indian system will have to be providing a education to every student and every family member of the house. And before we are starting this amendment and we are affecting this policy. At that time there were over of round about of 675 district which has been providing its information what is the main tool of national education policy, and there were round about of 2000 consultation which has been coming regarding about the current national education policies, and there were around about of 2.55 lakhs panchayats gram panchayat which has been providing its knowledge regarding about the national education policy, as well as these panchayat has been providing their information to the national education policy that what is the amendment and what will new changes will take place in education system, and education system will have been given a major beneficial to the student, and in national education policy student have their right which type of education will they have to be get, and will they have to be get a admission in any sort of education. And national education policy teacher student will have to be play a very creative, will have to be playing a very effective, efficient and creative role to develop a proper development in the society. And national education policy will have to be providing a proper education system to the student, and national education system will have to be providing a more effective, more generation and more imparting knowledge to the peoples as well as the student. Teacher and student will have to be play a very effective, very positive, very initiative and very regulating role to enhancing their marketing in the society. And new education policy which has been providing a more optimism to the student, and it will have to be given a more importance to the online education system. And nowadays the COVID which has been prevailing in our country since March, and it will have been spreading right now, and since the March beginning of the education will have to be starting from online education. At that time teacher have been providing the education to the student through their WhatsApp, through their chats, through their other essential requirement. And at that time teacher has been playing a very effective, important, and they have been playing a very prominent role to impart a better education to the student. And online education system will have been providing a more effective education system, as well as paper classes and other effective role have been played by this online education system. And national education policy will have been providing a more money to the states, and the center will have to be providing a more funds to the education system in our country. And kindly subscribe, like and share my channel US Legal.